When it comes to managing business expenses, you're always looking for ways to save time and reduce errors. You might be using Expensify to handle receipts and reimbursements and QuickBooks for your accounting. So the big question is, do these two powerful platforms work together? The short answer is yes, absolutely. Expensify integrates directly with both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. This integration is designed to create a seamless, automated workflow that gets your expense data from your employees' pockets straight into your accounting books. So, how does it work? You connect your Expensify account to your QuickBooks account. Once linked, Expensify can automatically import your chart of accounts, classes, and customer lists. This means when an employee submits an expense, they can code it to the correct QuickBooks category right inside the Expensify app. No more guessing or manual data entry. The real magic happens with the two-way sync. As soon as an expense report is approved in Expensify, it can automatically be exported to QuickBooks. You can configure this to export as a vendor bill, a check, a journal entry, or a credit card charge. This not only eliminates manual data entry, but also ensures your financial records are always up to date and accurate. It's a game changer for month-end closing. Beyond the basic integration, the benefits are huge. Expensify's SmartScan technology captures all the necessary details from a receipt, then automatically matches it to the corresponding credit card transaction. This level of automation means you're not just saving time, you're also reducing the chance of human error. It also makes corporate card reconciliation a breeze. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or part of a larger finance team, this integration gives you better visibility into your company's spending. You can track expenses in real time and have a clear, accurate picture of your cash flow. This allows you to make more informed business decisions and spend less time chasing down receipts and more time focusing on what really matters, growing your business.